Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind. When does Alex study every day? What does Alex do before starting his studies? How does Alex prepare before exams? Now let's listen to the passage.
Alex is a student who believes that proper study time helps in better learning. Every evening, he studies for 2 hours in a quiet room. He keeps his books, notebooks, and pencils neatly arranged on the table before starting. He avoids using his phone during study time so that he can stay focused. Alex also takes short breaks to relax his mind before continuing his lessons. He believes that regular study helps him remember things easily. Alex revises his lessons every weekend and prepares small notes to review before exams. Sometimes he studies with his friends to discuss difficult topics. For him, studying is not just about getting good marks, but about understanding and learning new ideas.
When does Alex study every day? Alex studies every evening. What does Alex do before starting his studies? Alex arranges his books, notebooks, and pencils neatly. How does Alex prepare before exams? Alex revises lessons and prepares small notes. Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. What does Alex do when he feels tired? What does studying mean to Alex? What does Alex do when he feels tired? He takes short breaks to relax his mind. What does studying mean to Alex? It means understanding and learning new ideas.